Yo, my fa akwanya resuncha Ghana for nyina obia. Yes, sanity America create no free SHS buy. And free SHS buy so no school for nkwala yenuanu yemano mu nyina ombedidi. Nti aban permit taye through National Food and Buffer Stock share supply aduane school for no. Yes, yes, and Sana Najuma here. We are Juma. Not time, no. It should be 60 days, 60 working days. You be not a bro so dear, but at most it be a bro so 90 days maximum. Now since 2001, Juma, Kenya almost the whole of 2001. Abayem Piaka. The 2002, Mukakra. And buffer stock for sign and the Casa say the Juman. Yeah, so Jumana, no, energy because there's our count who say Ashanti region, me a Juma Ashanti region in central region. And Colawim Ohuna, if I say, be a minimum more security every morning. I mean, there who say you are supporting the free SHS system.
Okay.
Osaya Juma. Now, since 2001, man. Yeah, train. Early 2000, late 2002, and I buy my Sikaka. Not just say, if you can't hear the chunk of the money. I said, now, dear money, your West Grand is on mine. I dare not be to say a bro. Not those days, yeah, a top bad 185 cities. Now, if you're not bad, 500 cities. You see, I know because a brewing them over 700 cities. Now, shy, you see, can I be a Jumano? Indirectly, see, can you na ashe because you don't have the money. The money is with Ghana Buffer Stock. And I could do one on Sanka Usika. Toma, recently, your one in your letter from Ghana Buffer Stock said, "Yes, supply my Jumani be."
Hey.
My energy money be also so yesika so aka so so o man enyesika ketwa ono si adwuma yeso so no capital intensive service ye kasa ma school bia 10 curtains of Ashanti region schools over 147 ma school bia only 10 curtains of milk kra na hwesika ebekom it's getting to over 2 million Ghana cedis but school bi over obi 50 curtains obi 200 curtains na se scan e dey adwuma no Asun and the Sican so near there. Yeah, me to have here, Juma Sia, many about 3 different banks, and here Juma Casamin family documents, Metra, Busia Mabo, and Yasam Kitua. Into my train, ya cover first stock more than 50 times, ya troll letters, ya penning for co-ministries. I feel proud of cover first stock. No, my father said the uncle, Minister of Education, and Minister of Finance, young Uncle Danka. Yes, the say you supply a new the member first stop. Now at the end of the 60 working days, you were clear a brosukra higher because you know 90 days at most on the treka. But on my say I call Druse. Ya bo Yesikama.
Mr. Frimpong.
Sukra unko tuobia.
Mr. Frimpong, when was the last time? How many months or years? Ena omodemoka omuntiai. Because 90 days here 3 months. Duration I normally tell you.
Yes, make I say 2 years sika edin my
2 years.
Yes, 1 year sika edin my. Me as say I no ka say 2021 misika kam and my 2022 misika kam this 2023 misika woman and my and okay oh my and yes kan get 1 year kan ho asem no.
Na Ministry of Finance catch them say Sika na anywa na say montwen na I want to understand you. Say almost sika ni ho. Ana say enkrata no na bia buffer stock for so entimi nye claims no ntem na I want to understand.
Middle of 2022 yem penim for mu di anim ko buffer stock. Omo ko ka kire omo ko buffer stock ka kire omo say omo enyanwie auditing our invoices. Usually, you're submitting invoices here, they audit it. And now we were surprised because invoices have been due over 1 year. Why do you say won't audit it? But we realize a part of a game already delay your processes. Into your na late last year, yenya in the news. Say Education Minister Bekan said we're releasing the greater part of our suppliers' money. We were all happy. Me na me say anya shi me anya kra no. Me about 80% or even 90% of how much they owe me. But on mine, the cover some of this kind of mine. Supplies ni bi anya bi kra. Yes, I had some. I had about 50% of the money. But suppliers ni bi obi anya kapre kra. So obi wo ha since 2021 till now, the supplier or you know, on my winner mu one Ghana city kra.
I don't know, is it by mistake or an anomaly be a free buffer stock container when you be and I want submitting invoices in Tamana?
Man, that is the question I bisa. Per the last check we did, Obia submitting the invoice. Me, for instance, the last time I'm submitting invoice for 2023 was February. The FN said February, April, May. They may supply in January, February, March. The BN higher to now information I want any day who say the high and say yes, Omuntia Kano. Free SHS coordinators and also factory free. Yen suppliers now, yes, suppliers I can see them say. Yen free buffer stock. Near Rama supply. Oh, commodity market. And from my me personally, they called me and I say, what is different? Is it not the same source of money? And your mind, the idea high and say, yes, oh dear, Kauntia, Usi, they say, one man, if I fulfill a supplier, Utianica.
Ah,
that is our major challenge now.
Mebao, or more, any more contract in him. Say, Mammon supply bill, and almost contract, you know, another group of people are almost the musika.
Almost supply. To the best of our information, a big crowd of our almost pre-financing almost and the Nipana supply in Yemen. Meanwhile, you're supplying Yemen over 1 year. You're supplying Yemen over 6 months. Wouldn't you?
Now delay in the supplying of some of the foodstuffs and our products, Nana.
The same and Yemen near supplying the same Yemen other suppliers to supply. They invited me to come and supply from that sector. And I'm catching them say, I am already here and there's no way I will move. Because to the best of my knowledge, it's the same source of the monies will be coming from the same source.
Now the commodity market no muti omuka sheshiwana.
Omuti omuka. In him said this year, omenya about 2 checks. But dano over 1 year, over 6 months. Over 2 years, all
right. Mr. Kennedy from Paul Medasi, I not pay. I hope so. A penny for 80 na ombe 2 1 amount.